Alright, let's make this frosting, okay?
Let me put the frosting.
Alright. So then we
Mindy, look up. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the frosting in the bowl. Oh.
Oh,
Well, and
we don't want the bag. Okay, we gotta put water in it.
Sorry.
Can I do the water on the plate?
You can help put the powdered sugar in. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ew.
Okay, hold on. Okay, watch your fingers.
Ooh, that's my side.
Yeah, that's your size. So now we gotta put some powdered sugar. Hold on, I gotta put the right amount. You can pour it in the bowl. Hold on, Mindy. Wait. Yep, that's about right. Okay. Good job. Then stir it up. Good job.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Do you know what's in there? What did you just put in all of that?
I don't know.
But it looks good. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
What's the white stuff?
Frosting, whatever that is.
We put powdered sugar in there. Tell her it's powdered sugar.
It's powdered sugar.
All right, let's take a look. Okay.
Ooh, yummy.
Okay, we'll put this in the fridge too.
And I hope.
Okay, you're gonna put it in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay, you stick it in there right next to the dough. There we go. Now we just gotta wait.
Yes, now we just gotta wait.
Yep. Where's our fourth ninja?
Oh, it's over there.
Ah, there he is. Oh, love you.
I love you too. I'm gonna go hang out.
All right, you go play.
I'm gonna hang out with Winchester.
Oh, with Winchester?
Winchester.
He's probably laying down. Yep, he's on the pillows.
And play run around the room. Oh, with the